Good morning. I probably put quick on there but for me more than everyone else. All right, so this is my cucumbers. I've done them so they can get started for the next. We've been playing with Bucky, y'all. Bucky is losing now. I'll show you why in a minute, but I saw where yesterday he came. So we pretty much took all of the corn out that was not healthy. You see some of them are darkening. That's because Bucky stripped them. Yeah. But anyway, over there is good, and we're going to make sure he doesn't get over there. So I've already prepped the dirt to pull these up. You'll see whole, oh God, whole, let me put my keys down. Where we had some potato water, or whatever, not potato, these are bananas, and poured the water in there. But as you see, with the rain, some of the seeds have popped back up. So I'm already prepping this for beans. And I asked my husband, like, what do you want for the fall? So, and you can also check your beans, whatever you're planting. You can also see, look at they're already germinating. Just trying to cover them up so we don't need anything to come and eat the beans, right? This is a whole tomato plant inside here. We already know who did that. Her name would be Nugget. See how the water is. So yeah, put some more beans in here. Pull these out and cover the beans. I've been treating the soil. You got to rotate your crops. This is one of those centranola geraniums. I need to trim it, but that's low priority. So we have stuff. It's in there. You understand? Okay, so corny corn. Hold on, if I can give you a concept. And I have a head thing on, but I'm not using it because that's for work. Yeah, so I'm, 5'8"? Jeez. Okay. All right, let's go back. This is going to be like super quick because I have to go inside. And so our potatoes are doing better. Still, I cheated and went in some of them because this is blight. And I cut and it comes back. So I'm treating the soil. All right, yeah. Okay, so we took out most of our turnips out of here. They're in the house. Hold on, I just walked straight up into a spider web. Treated most of our turnips. There's some beets in there. See, still some turnips in there. We didn't take them all out. But I'm going to treat this soil too because the insects had gotten in here. So even when we were taking it, I was just seeing they were like worms and stuff in here. I don't like worms, y'all. There's some things that I can tolerate, but there's one right there. That's what I mean, how they're in here. So they got that little round thing. Bye. I ain't gonna kill him. But he gotta go. Okay. We're not gonna do too. See? That's what happened. You get out here and then, I had a whole meeting that I missed and whatever. So as we're taking these out, treating the soil, compost, keep it moving. Those potatoes over there are doing well. They haven't gotten really tall yet. But I'm okay. I want healthy. That's just like with my own hair. Whether I have it long, short, tall, or whatever color, I just want my hair to be healthy. And Leah had picked a lot of these over the weekend. These are just beans. See them? They're in there. So there's still some in there. I think when she was getting kind of over it with the bugs over here. And we know Nugget. That would be... It's actually pretty big. All that kind of this stuff, that's tomatoes. Okay, y'all keep doing your thing. And let's see. So as we see, we were talking on the phone about this could, we had all this rain. I want to make sure it's not mold on here. Sorry. I'm going to treat my leaves, cut down leaves. I have been trimming leaves that I don't, as they start doing all of this stuff, this business. You don't want, and another thing that I can be guilty of, and even like right now, as I'm touching stuff, I could take that bacteria over to there because I didn't clean my, so it might be helpful to have like a spray bottle or, a pot that has something that you could, you know, with alcohol, water, oil, vinegar, whatever, you can put your tools in and they can get sanitized. But they're still growing strong in there. Thank you, Lord. Got one over there. I'll probably grab that one. And they're in here. So I'll move that cucumber over there on the other side to end the box. I'm getting things out of the yard. I don't know why, but I'm going with it. I hear the ancestors telling me I'm gonna move stuff inward and together. That's what I hear. That's what they're telling me. Hold on, let me see. So there's some of our cantaloupe that have started. Praise them. It's my favorite. No, I'm sorry, babies. Yes, you all are my favorites. Our watermelon is still growing. This one out here, got some in there. That's the dark green that you all see. Those are the sugar babies that are actually in there. So, and then I'm still peeking on, see, here we go. This is what I was about to tell you all. So here's some beans that are forming. Those are the beans. So I'll get up in there and grab those. I tell y'all, we can have all of this out here, and we do, and it's still like sometimes I should have grown more. I should have planted more. Okay, we got another cantaloupe. Praise him, glory. We thank you. Thank you. I'm working and remodeling, and we had a squirrel, and I say had. I'm gonna talk it in the past tense. As when y'all see, I'm gonna come over here to the tomatoes. He's been getting our tomatoes and our corn, and sometimes I come out here, and it's just woo, talk about something that'll zip your spirit. So let's see. We got some peppers that are coming in, and I got quite a few banana peppers over there. So, you know, we've been talking to these, encouraging them. So come on in. Let's go. Let's do it. This is heavy, but I would like to turn it as well so that all of, you know, I've turned my plants. And taters. Hey, taters. I love you. I pulled some of our, yes, oh gosh, I do. I'm like, what do y'all want me to sing to you? And I tell them I'm thankful. Before I pick it, thank you, and let some more come back out. But I pulled some of these out of the greenhouse. The oregano, mint, oregano. There's a whole little mixture of different things in there. The Italian oregano too. So, yeah. And more taters. I don't think you ever have enough potatoes. These are potatoes too, and I have some carrots down in there. I'll check them in a minute. Hold on, I got a little spider web right here. That's one thing. We talk about gnats, but walk into a spider web and it'll be a whole little mini seizure. Yes, it's over here. I try to remember to give it away or pull it out. I have some tea, so as I'm drying them, I have one container for tea, and then I'll, chop blend or whatever. And then I have another one that I'm doing for like spice rubs, and the sage. I need to pull the sage out, some of it. Yep. So yeah, actually I have the sage in the garage. Spiders is, that's not my, hold on, let me minister to this, potato thing right here. I took him out his container, so she's stressed right now. She'll perk back up just like that one perked back up. But I took it out. That was a whole lesson for me, and I even took a picture to talk about capacity and how even ourselves, we will function and bear fruit based on capacity. So we have to make sure that we're giving ourselves and being in places where we can expand. You're only going to give me 4 or 5 potatoes, but I only gave you room for 4 or 5 potatoes. So again, that's why I'm kind of dumping stuff in there right now. The things that we'll do for the fall, I'll use for containers. We can do cabbage and greens and all that stuff in these, but I want to build the potatoes up, and I'm going to mound them and all that. All right, folk, because we had another one. See, can't let Bucky come and get these. Bucky, I got to get these off of here. That is not what I came out here for. Oh, got a little trash container right here. yeah, that's my that was my message yesterday. You have to sit back. You come out here and you let the earth speak to you. God speaks through the earth and tells you, you know, I can't put any more dirt in there. I can't put any more soil in there. It's to the max. But when you take it and put it in something different, it just flourishes immediately. So you see, I have to come in here and prune my tomatoes again. And Bucky came and got a couple of them off of here. Where's my evidence? I just saw one. A little green one. Sometimes I throw them back there at him. You see that one on the ground? That's him. So he came and got quite a few of our cherry tomatoes. And as you see, here's some evidence. I came out here with the mothball action. Sir, what you're not going to do is this. Yeah. So the mothballs are working. Bucky is doing the, what's the thing, the Goldilocks, where he getting in beds and seeing what fit. And my address does not fit at all. We have some Swiss chard in there right now to cook. Cleaned and ready to go. This is trash. This is a house. You understand? So just still trying to keep it neat. I have that blocked off. I asked the girls not to go this way. Oops, that way, because we do have cantaloupe that are coming in through there. And the vines have come. Even though I call myself trying to build a little something, the vines doing their own thing. Y'all do that. You can have that address. And see how I'm looking over here at my, those cucumber leaves. I'm going to cut those down and probably insert that other one over there. So this is another of the Centrinola geranium. God, it smells just like the stuff we burn. So I have some on the corners throughout the garden to keep the mosquitoes down. The corn is over there. And again, if Bucky comes, it's going to be problem, sis. You will see me in a squirrel hat during the summertime. Or like when we used to come home, Daddy had the deer up, strung up, cut up, ready to go. He might be a sacrifice, because that's where he's taking me to. Okay. But as you see, he's come over here because there's the damage of the, because yeah, I had one on here like that. But it's another one on here too. I'm going to move her in the box. I believe we might have to even put up I might put up a gate. I don't know. Y'all pray for me, because yeah, that's what we got. So these are some little tomatoes that your niece has planted again. Look at that. She do her own thing. And then we have lettuce in there with some beans. I promise you, sometimes it's cool to be, rose. Thank you. Yes, it is very happy. But then sometimes it's just plop. So we went through this weekend. This was this area. We call it the blue box. And Kennedy, of course, spells it EU, to pull out all the vines that, their season is over. And we got the beans off of them. Some of the beans, I'm just going to let them fall right back down there. We planted new, more soil, mix it all up, have a little potpourri drink. And again, another one. Yeah, once we plant, it starts out cool. And then after that, it's like, ooh, well, let's put this here. And here's a little corner that I can put something else. And before you know it, you have a whole lot of something else. But I'm grateful. Let's see, there's another baby. Listen, sometimes these goals keep you up at night. Like a watermelon coming in all the way over here. But do your thing. I'm early, so I'm not going to, like I said, I don't want to mess with this stuff because my bees are still. But we all know he got to go. That you are no good. You're not welcome here, sir. I'm going to come back and get them all. Fam, got to go be productive now. So if any birdie, come get this watermelon, sis. Because I can't eat it. I just plant it because I can. No, my family loves it, but I can't. I'm allergic to it. And a whole lot of other things. Anybody want to come help? Get at your girl. I put you on assignment. Somebody can get up here and do the Wear long sleeves. No, actually, this weekend we put a tent out. Did I put a picture of that? We took the tent, like a pop-up tent, and put it out over this area. So it just provided some shade and shelter. Maters. I'm going to make up a song for the maters. I still have some lettuce. It's starting to bolt. But it's yum. I don't think I'll plant. We did romaine. Having beets was in. This is butter lettuces. That's all I want from now on. Why do anything else when this working? All right, folks. And both of my squash, I had a squash and zucchini. They did not make it. We will have a service for them. Thank you. All right, and so here is, I didn't go in here. Here is fall setup. So I'm doing it, again, as we're getting ready for, spring 2021 graduation. I'm getting that fall lineup ready. And so these are greens, they're collards. I have salad. This is pumpkin right there. Pumpkin is right there. I've already put pumpkin in there with the green peppers because we've already talked. All of us, we've talked. And here's the plan. Here's the layout. Oh, there's basil. It's a whole bunch of basil right here, too. Anybody want some pesto? Does anybody want some pesto? Okay, yeah. But I dry those up, too. Here's some more basil. This one is the purple basil, parsley, thyme. Excuse me, this is Italian oregano. Whatever here didn't make it, it's okay. It gets really hot in here. And so these, they keep water. Sometimes the water will drip down, so I use the water it. That's probably not the best. Yeah, and we have some tarragon that's growing in that top one. I'm not even showing it, the top one. But I want some pollination. These are greens, microgreens. I probably will have more pumpkin than we have of the other, so y'all let us know. Send some pumpkin recipes. But yeah, so as these get a little, here-ish, and we'll move them out there, by then it would have gotten ready. And y'all can read the signs. Broccoli. Those three are broccoli. BS is not what we usually use it for. That is Brussels sprouts. And yes, these are pineapple. You already know. I don't have to educate on that. You take your pineapple. Just YouTube it. I'd had to give baby something. She's drooping. And then I put some more of the, this is kohlrabi. That was not doing its thing. But look, signs of life. Do what you do. I can't mess with you. This is ginger, as you see. So after that, we'll throw it out. I'm not throwing it. I have ginger all in there. Not that one. I'll show you. But last one. We ready. That would be Leah's handwriting. Yes. Oh, no. Pineapple does take quite a bit of time to get one, but I got it. I got time today. So this one right here, I have ginger in there as well. So it has, All right, honey buns. I'll try to go back and read. Oh, I see the ice cubes. Yes, I can do that. Oh, look. See? I'm in here on her share. So I'm getting kicked out. Do your thing. Pollinate. We are here to pollinate. Y'all have a good day. Love you. Bye.